So is recording, yeah? You can adjusting this. Just
Yeah, cut this.
Yeah, cut this. Okay, guys. So welcome to the channel. Today we're working on my 2004 E46 320 diesel. We are getting ready to do an EGR delete, as we bought a kit here from eBay. So we have the EGR blind stud here. We put the instead of the EGR, then we have the blinds for the exhaust, the blinds for the cooler, nuts, maybe no nuts, bolts.
Yeah.
Bolts. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the covers, remove the pipe, and that's it, ready to get started on this. Remove this cover. This one you just pull back and slide out and pull from here and lift up.
Yeah.
Right, that's the first thing. Then we're gonna get our little ratchet extension, number 8mm socket for the bolts. We have 4 bolts here on the top. Quickly take this. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. Then we pop off this cover, and this just pops right off, easy enough. We have access, as you can see we have access here to the EGR. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the Jubilee clip from here, pull the pipe off. These 4 bolts here, size 5 hexagon Allen key. We're gonna remove this Jubilee clip here, pull this back. We're gonna remove from here this Jubilee clip, pull it off together, put a blank here, here another blank, and take off the exhaust from there. We're gonna need to remove this pipe to get access. We are going to use this number 7 to remove this Jubilee clip. Okay, so this pulls back. Just pull this back here like this. This one, like this.
Yeah, man.
Like this. You loosen this.
Yes. You know what I mean? If you just put any music, maybe, or maybe you don't
Yeah,
like music.
yeah, you can put some music in this.
And maybe you just, you know, like maybe just make this like quickly.
Yeah.
Maybe I do like something like to that. See this?
Okay, 1 second.
It goes there.
Okay, it's off. So we're gonna go ahead. We take this off now. Remove this one here. So we went ahead and removed this pipe that comes from the airflow meter down to the turbo. As you can see, it's held on by these two. It's held on by these two size 5 Allen key.
Yeah, but
As you can see here, size 5. These 2 bolts here, size 5. Now we're going ahead to remove this from the cooler.
There's a bolt and this bottom.
Yeah.
Bolt, yeah?
Exactly.
And maybe lose this as well, yeah?
Yeah.
For have this, lose this cooler, yeah?
E45 star bit here, as you can see, and we're going ahead to remove these 2 bolts from inside to remove this and block the exhaust port there. Guys, so as you can see, we don't have two entry points like this, one here and one here, because this is fully welded on straight to this pipe, and this pipe needs to come off so I can block the exhaust part down there. But what I'm thinking to do is loosen this here underneath, and pull this pipe completely off, pull this cooler off completely, and put this in between it, and then put it back and tighten the back up, you know, and leave it there. Oh shit, man, this is true. You see what is there? Nice 2-1.
Fucking light, man.
I think this was open before, you know. Look. Oh,
So
man.
it's loose, yeah?
It's loose. Oh man, this is simply. Remove this EGR cooler because it was in the way. And now we're gonna find a piece of pipe to connect this pipe from here to this pipe here directly as the there is no longer an EGR cooler.
For what are these pipes?
These pipes are for the coolant to pass by. This is going to the thermostat here.
What you can use for this?
So I'm gonna find some piece of pipe and put directly from here to here, and then we are gonna block this part of the exhaust here. Okay, so we went ahead and blocked exactly this exhaust port coming from the manifold here with the blank space, and we put the gasket and took out this EGR cooler that was here. Okay guys, so we are getting ready to remove this last bolt from the EGR. Exactly, here we go, and this comes right off, and then you take this pipe here in the back, pull it off, and that's the EGR. So it has 4 bolts here, size 5 Allen key, easy enough to remove. Just pop that right off. Now we're going to go ahead and put this one back on. So we are just getting ready to put back this piece here to connect to the pipe instead of the EGR. Just tightening this bolts back in place, and you can see here that we had to block this pipe, and from the kit was a small bit of plastic, but this plastic broke and is no good strong, so we just put this for the time being, but we will change this, you know, to block this pipe. As you can see, if it works, it works. This pipe back on here like so, like here, and then put the Jubilee clip right back here in its place. Okay guys, so we're getting to put this pipe here from this Jubilee clip here, and then we are going to adjust this pipe, cut it here exactly, and put it here just like this angle, you know, exactly like this. Okay, so I need to tie this here. Okay guys, so we just finished up here. We just put back everything, this pipe that we took off from the turbo to the airflow meter, just tightening everything. We put this new pipe here to connect these 2 pipes for the coolant to flow through, as the cooler was here, and as you can see was going through here and coming through here, and we took this completely out and just bypassed the here straight. Now we put this pipe back on here fairly tight, bolts back on. We're just gonna finish tightening this. We're gonna put the engine covers back on. We're just gonna go ahead and start her up and see how she's taking over. We also went ahead and did a thermostat swap because it wasn't working properly, as the gauge was not fully on 90 degrees in the middle there. It's showing back. So we went ahead and replaced it, just 4 bolts here, as you can see. As you can see, the 4 bolts here, and you just remove this clip here that's holding this pipe. This clip here exactly. And we have one more clip that's holding this pipe. You just remove this clip, and the 4 bolts, and this just pops right out, and you have plenty of space here to work with. After this, we are going to top up the coolant and just low on some of the wind on the bucket, you know. So we're just going to fill this up, and that's it.